Hi friends, this is Nageshwar and welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to create users and groups in Windows Server 2016. Here, I have a organizational setup with different groups of users working in various blocks. I want to construct the Active Directory with these users and groups. Come to Server, open Active Directory, Users and Computers, and please select users. Here I want to create few users. We can create users with administrative privileges and basic permissions. First I want to create a user with admin privileges. And here please enter the password. Password must be the combination of small letters, capital letters, numericals and special characters. And please select this option. User cannot change this password. Password never expires. Next. And after this I want to create one more user with the admin privileges. Next. Select the password. And this time I want to select this option. User must change password at next login. You specified that the password should never expire. The user will not be required to change the password at next login. Okay, please deselect this and select this. Next. Finish. I want to create a basic user. Next. After creating the users, come to another client system. Please log in with the user 1 which has admin privileges. I have successfully logged in with the user with admin privileges. Close this. Now sign out this user. This time I want to log in with other user. Enter. Here we got user's password must be changed before signing in. Click on OK and enter the new password. And confirm the password. Login. Password has been changed. OK. Sign in. For user 2 we have selected user must change the password at next login. That's why it is asking for resetting the password. And close this. Again sign out. This time I want to log in with basic user. We have successfully logged in with the basic user. Sign out this and come to server 1. Here please double click on user 4 account. Here I want to select account is disabled, apply, OK. Again come to client system and try to log in with the user 4. And here it is showing your account has been disabled. Please see your system administrator. So like this we can restrict the user access by disabling the account. Come to server 1. After this I want to create groups. So right click on here and please select group, administration, and in group scope please select global and group type security, and another group research. After creating the groups, now I want to add the users to these groups and double click on administration. Please come to members, click on add. Here please type user and check names. Here I want to add user 1 to administration group, apply, OK, and come to research group. Here I want to add user 2, and technical group. For store group I want to add user 4, and here it is showing the account is disabled. And after this I want to create two organizational units for block 1 and block 2. So please right click on domain, come to new, and please select organizational unit block 1 and create one more block. Organizational unit is a container within the Active Directory which holds users, groups, and computers. With this, administrator can assign group policy for specific users and groups within the organization. Come to users. I want to move user 1, user 2 to the block 1, and user 3, user 4 to block 2, and similarly come to groups, now click on block 1, and here it is showing user 1 and user 2 and the group administration and research. Similarly come to block 2, and here it is showing the user 3 and user 4 and groups, stores, and technical. Now double click on user 1, please select member of and here it is showing the member of administration, administrator, domain admins, domain users, and similarly come to block 2 and double click on user 3. Please select member of, and here it is showing the member of domain users and technical because it's a basic user. Like this, we can create users and groups in Windows Server 2016. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest updated videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.